Dostlar selam. Today we will be introduced with the Kazakh alphabet. The Cyrillic-based Kazakh alphabet contains 42 letters, 12 vowels, and 26 consonants. For presentation of sounds non-existing in Russian, Kazakh introduced special letters. 9 specifically designed to represent Kazakh sounds are marked in red. Nowadays, Kazakh alphabet uses Cyrillic script. In 2017, Kazakh government decreed to transit Kazakh alphabet from Cyrillic to Latin. The transition from Cyrillic to a Latin script will be completed by 2025. The Latin-based Kazakh alphabet contains 30 letters and 2 digraphs. For the presentation of sounds non-existing in Latin, extra 6 special letters were created. Useless letters will be dropped. A, as in father. A. Alma. Alma. E, as in can. Cat. E. N. N. B, as in book. B. Bala. Bala. V, as in vet. V. Wagon. Wagon. G, as in get. G. Gül. Gül. G, as in Arabic. Ghazal. G. Гараж. Гараж. D, as in doll. D. Доп. Доп. Е, as in yes. Е. Етік. Етік. Ж, as in межа. Ж. Жұлдыз. Жұлдыз. Z, as in zoo. Z. Zan. Zan. These 2 letters have similar sounding and will be written in Latin in the same way. E, as in key. E. It. It. Қысқа I give sound E, as in joy. E. I. I. K, as in kit. K. Kilt. Kilt. Q, as in Arabic. Qatar. Q. Qalam. Qalam. L, as in lake. L. Luck. Luck. M, as in man. M. мысық, мысық. Ne, as in name, ne. None, none. As in sing, ang, wo, as in saw, wo. Орындық, орындық. Ö, as in German Köpf, Ö. Өрнек, өрнек. P, as in pen, P. Piyaz, piyaz. R, as in red, rose, R. Раушан, раушан. Se, as in set, se. Su, su. T, as in task, T. Tau, tau. This letter considered a semiconsonant. It can be a consonant or a vowel. U, as in you, U. Сурет, сурет. O, as in choose, O. Oshkosh, oshkosh. As in bed, E, F, as in fell, F. Football, football. These two letters have similar soundings and will be written in the same way in Latin script. H, as in German Bach, H. Hat, hat. Ha, as in hot, ha. Jihaz, jihaz. Sh, as in shake, sh. Sham, sham. Ch, as in chat, che. Check, check. As in look, but smiled, not lip rounding. Others, others. As in fed, them. Örümcek, örümcek. Useless letters will be dropped out and won't be in a new Latin-based Kazakh alphabet. Actually, following Cyrillic letters are not standard vowels and consonants, they are diphthongs. They give doublet sounds. As the Latin alphabet is still adopting, It is unknown how these droplet letters should be written. I suggest my versions in the next examples. As in bed. Ekran. Ekran. These letters do not refer to Asia, the vowels or the consonants. They are signs. One works as to give softness to consonant, and the second is a separator. Royal. Royal. Yo, as in yoke. Yo. Monteur. Monteur. Ц, as in hits. Ц. Цирк. Цирк. Ща, as in fresh cheese. Ща. Аше. Аше. You, as in use. You. Are you? Are you? Я, as in я. Ячт. Я. Qiyar. Qiyar.